Hello everyone, welcome to PC Events. They have brought a beautiful curation of 19 brands जो लेकर आए हैं बहुत ही सुंदर चीजें from home decor, jewelry, चनिया चोली of various types like from कच्ची work to something in Malchanderi. You won't believe the collection. They also have something for men as well. They have a lovely counter for food as well. All this is happening where and when? वो पूछते हैं मैम से, मैम कहाँ हो रहा है ये exhibition?
ट्रैवल और होम्स फ्रंट एरिया मॉडल स्क्वायर में हो रहा है.
Okay, and what are the dates, ma'am?
23rd and 24th August, and please do visit. It's for 2 days.
Okay, and for more collections, swipe left. This is Shagun Creation and they have come up with beautiful home decor items, lovely toran trays, boxes, some Karwa Chauth option like this, entire set beautifully decorated. Look at that. Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Hetal Patel from Shagun Creation.
Okay.
This is all my gifting options.
Okay.
Boxes, trays, आसन.
सारा गिफ्टिंग ऑप्शन है, आसन है, ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेज है, बॉक्सेस हैं फॉर गिफ्टिंग. Look at that, something vintage if you're looking for these beautiful box options. Lovely. This is brand Mudita Patel Designs. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
So they have brought separates and set options. Beautiful lehengas, lovely.
Traditional taste.
Something in traditional. Look at that.
Quirky and bright.
Lovely. Look at that.
And multi-purpose for Navratri, Mehndi and any other occasion wear in silk. It's a full set.
Love. This is brand B and Bo and they have come up with beautiful kids wear. Yes, ma'am.
Hello. So my brand name is B and Bo. And
Okay.
we have kids Chana Choli. Age starts from 1 to 12. Yeah.
Okay.
These are some pieces. These are in cotton. These are in gudji.
Beautiful.
These are in hand block print.
Wow.
Kutchi work.
Okay. This is Bhagwati spices and sauces as you can see.
So we have multiple dips, basil dip है, शेजवान है, peri peri है, salsa है.
Okay.
And we are having institute in Ahmedabad only 31 years से जो हम cooking classes चलाते हैं.
Lovely. So they are into cooking classes as well. Look at that. This is Yashu Creation और वो लेकर आए बहुत ही सुंदर बंजारा बैग से लेके कुछ jewelry options. Look at that. They have a lovely collection. Something in Afghani as well. Options for festives as well. Lovely pieces. Something in kaftan style. कुछ कैजुअल्स में भी ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे. प्लस साइजेस भी अवेलेबल है उनके पास. ब्यूटीफुल. दिस इज ब्रांड ट्विंकल बुटीक एंड टैटूज एंड दे हैव ब्रॉट ब्यूटीफुल शॉर्ट कुर्तीज. बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है उसमें उनके पास. अलॉन्ग विद दैट दे हैव ब्रॉट ब्यूटीफुल एक्सेसरीज इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग इन कलर, statement pieces, beautiful, something in set options. Along with that they have bags के बहुत सारी variety. So if you're looking for something like this in simple, if you want something like this in embroidery, look at the options that they have. Lovely, beautiful. This is brand Shali Bhadra and they've brought beautiful dress materials along with some home furnishing as well. Look at the beautiful dress materials that they have. Very pretty. Okay. Some more options in the same dress materials. Look at that. Very pretty. Along with that, they have Bombay dyeing की पूरी bedsheet का collection. So you can definitely come here and check them out. They have a lot of options here. So this is brand Miraki and they have brought beautiful men's wear. So as you can see, कोटी options हैं उनके पास, कुर्ता options हैं. Okay, और क्या क्या है मैम? They have chaniya choli also. So girls, don't worry. Okay, beautiful Kodi work detailing, something in bandage.
Alia inspired.
Yes, the very viral lehenga. This is brand DN Ornaments and they have brought beautiful 9 to 5 silver. Yes sir.
हम DN Ornaments से हैं. मैं फाउंडर और ये हमारे को फाउंडर.
Hello.
हम लोग सिल्वर 95 सिल्वर की ज्वेलरी बनाते हैं.
Okay.
और ऑर्डर भी लेते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पर भी लेते हैं ऑर्डर.
Okay.
कस्टमाइजेशन अवेलेबल है. ये पूरे हैंडमेड है, 999 सिल्वर में है.
Okay.
और यहाँ पर भी ये भी पूरा हैंडमेड है.
Lovely.
एंटिक ज्वेलरी भी बेचते हैं.
Beautiful.
ये टर्किश ज्वेलरी है.
Something in Turkish jewelry as well. Lovely. This is brand The Bead Theory, and look at all the pretty tassels that they have. These are all lanyards as well as very pretty mobile accessories that they have. These are all handmade, so a lot of effort has been put into making them. These are all lanyards for your phone, so you can attach them for Navratri, dance, hands free. Look at all those beautiful pieces that they have. Some more options here as well. This is brand Couture, and they have brought beautiful chaniya choli. Hello ma'am. Yes, so let's look at some of their collection.
આમાં જ બધા બીજા ઓપ્શન્સ છે, આમાં બધા
Okay.
કલર્સ છે.
Color options बहुत सारे हैं उनके पास. Look at that.
વેડિંગ વાળા પણ છે.
Okay, very pretty. Beautiful, lovely. Look at that. So many options, so versatile pieces हैं. Beautiful. So this is brand Studio B.
આમાં અમારી પાસે કલર ઓપ્શન્સ બી છે, જેમ
Okay.
તમે જોઈ શકો છો અહીંયા આગળ. અને આમાં કસ્ટમાઇઝેશન પણ પોસિબલ છે, એટલે
Okay.
સાઇઝીસ પ્રમાણે કસ્ટમાઇઝ થઈ
All
જશે.
right.
પ્લસ દુપટ્ટાવાળા ઓપ્શન માટે અહીંયા બધા ચણિયા છે. આ અતરંગી ચણિયા છે, આમાં 3 કલર કોમ્બિનેશન અવેલેબલ છે.
Okay.
એની જોડે તમે આવી રીતે બ્લાઉઝને પેર કરીને પહેરી શકો. આની જોડે
Lovely.
દુપટ્ટો પણ છે.
Okay.
એવી રીતે આ ચણિયા છે 15 મીટર ઘેરમાં.
Okay.
એમાં પણ અમારી પાસે કલર ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે.
Okay. This is brand Prismatic Jewels. Look at the beautiful jewelry that ma'am is wearing, and वो इस बार लेकर आए बहुत सारे earrings के options, some tight chokers, हासली, long statement pieces, beautiful collection of jewelry if you're looking for Navratri as well as festives के लिए भी अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए तो वो
These all are
भी है.
anti-tarnish.
All these are anti-tarnish. Beautiful. Loose bracelets में भी बहुत सारे options हैं. Look at all those beautiful options. Along with she has brought some beautiful statement pieces as well. Very pretty. Along with bags. This is brand Anana, and they have brought beautiful jewelry. Something in long, something for hair accessories as well. Look at that. These are all hair accessories. Some statement ring options, kada options, beautiful bangles, some statement pieces as well. Look at all those beautiful pieces. So next up we have brand Roma Patel label. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Yes.
Welcome.
So she has brought beautiful handwork chaniya cholis.
Yeah.
Lovely.
They're all handwork and 15 meters of gear, more 15 plus.
Okay, 15 plus का घेर मिल जाएगा आपको. Look at that. Beautiful pieces. These are all handmade.
Like this.
Lovely. Look at the colors.
I have some mirror work.
Okay,
And some
beautiful.
festive wears.
She also has some festive wears जो आप versatile है weddings में, festivities, नवरात्रि definitely. Look at that. Beautiful. This is brand Varnika, and they have brought beautiful festive and chaniya choli. Yes, ma'am.
My name is Kinal and my brand name is Varnika.
Okay.
I have festive collection like this.
Beautiful festive collection, perfect for Ganesh Chaturthi. Yep, blouse option also with dupatta also, beautiful.
These cotton.
Okay, beautiful. I have something like this also. So you have cotton options as well. Lovely. Okay, this is brand Mantua, and they have beautiful pre-draped and normal sarees as well.
This is a pre-draped saree that
Okay.
we have, so we can drape your own sarees as well.
Okay,
There's no need to buy it from us. This is our lovely piece saree.
Okay.
We also have chaniya cholis. This is a plain chaniya choli.
Okay.
He wants to wear.
lovely. Look at that. Beautiful options of chaniya choli as well as pre-draped sarees.
Customized.
Can be customized. This is brand Sabri. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay.
આઈ એમ અમી ફ્રોમ સાવરી. આજે હું સુતી સિરીઝના અગેન બીજા કલર લઈને આવી છું.
Okay.
અને એમાં અમારી પાસે આજે બહુ બધા કલર્સ છે.
Okay.
ઓફ છે.
Look at that. Beautiful pieces.
વ્હાઇટ.
Lovely. They are always sold out, guys. So इनका collection बहुत beautiful
बहुत
होता है.
सारे कलेक्शन. यस.
Lovely. Look at that.
एंड दिस इज क्रॉस. इसमें भी बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं. 27 मीटर फ्लेयर्स आएगा.
Beautiful. Look
एंड
at that.
ऑल आर अंडर.
This is brand Accessory Culture and they have brought beautiful anti-tarnish options from kadas, stackable bracelets, statement pieces. Look at all those beautiful ones. Some very pretty dainty neck pieces as well. Look at that. Earrings में भी बहुत सारे options हैं. Bracelets, some set options, a lot of options of earrings. Some very beautiful Navratri hair accessories. Look at all those pieces that they've brought. Lovely.